size, from the forest trees to the ocean side. Emerald citrine, all the colors in between the sand and sky. Just a masterpiece, every stroke alive. You make me feel like I could use some of your company. Leaving loose, blinded by sunlight, living with no doubt. Lucky I'm here now, this beautiful, beautiful world. I can't hold back the passion, the wildest dreams. Imagine the closest thing to heaven. This beautiful, beautiful world. Each breath and every heartbeat, feelings that overwhelm me like paradise upon me. This beautiful, beautiful world. This beautiful, beautiful world. This beautiful, beautiful world. This beautiful, beautiful world. Beautiful, beautiful world.
And then given a test. In life, you are given a test that teaches you a lesson. I'm standing here today, but I don't know what is the formula for a volume of sphere. But yeah, I do know how much a liter of milk costs.
I remember the day when I walked into my first interview with my degree held in my hand. I thought it made me special, but I was common. I was one in a whole crowd.
In classroom, every problem had a solution. Teachers gave you maths problem that with a solution. But in real life, problems are wicked. There is no back of books.
School had taught me teamwork, but the world is busy grading me as an individual. In school, the walls were there to keep me safe. They defined the boundaries of what I needed to be. But in the practical world, those walls didn't exist. It's just an endless horizon. I'm standing all alone.
They call it a race with no finish line. Like if run fast enough, breathe hard enough, and the line keeps moving. Every time I get close, someone pushes the horizon another 10 miles. You pour your heart into a dream, into a project, into a goal, into an ambition. And if you stumble for a second, it doesn't help you up. They just step over you.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट उसके अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है आज्ञाकारी है
Karan, Mr. Karan.
Yes, sir.
Karan, why is not that report in my inbox yet? I told you it had to be done today.
Sir, the data from the other team was too late. So I'm just finishing it up.
I don't want excuses. I have a meeting. First thing tomorrow morning. If I don't have those numbers, it will be worse situation for you.
Sir, I just need another hour to make sure that the math is correct.
You don't have an hour. I want it in 30 minutes. It is not done. This excuses can't run my company.
Sorry for inconvenience, sir. I will try my best.
You better do that. See you.
Yes.
It's already late.
It's already late, Mom.
Sit here, stop spinning. Get your foot in the shoe. Stop it, Leo.
Mom, the lace went inside the shoe. What are you doing? It hurts me, Mom.
I'm trying to fix it, Leo. We are already 10 minutes behind. I can't be late again. I told you that.
My teacher says it's okay to be late sometimes.
Your teacher doesn't have my boss. Your teacher doesn't pay the electricity bill. Forget it.
Are you mad at me?
I'm not mad at you. I'm just tired. The shoes, breakfast, waking up, everything is so heavy. Here's your water bottle. Take it and go safe. Your tiffin!
Hi, Mom. How are you today?
Hello, Jia. I'm fine, just sitting here by the window. It's very quiet today.
You sound a little sad. Did you go for the walk this morning?
No, I didn't feel like it. I looked at the park, but didn't wanted to go alone there. And everyone in this world seems quite busy. And I am just here. I missed our house being full of people.
I know, Mom. I miss you too. But I hate that I am so far right now.
It's just hard sometimes. The house feels too big for just me alone.
I'm sorry, Mom. I don't call enough. But you aren't alone. I am thinking of you every day.
It's okay. You're also busy in your own world there.
Okay, Mom. Let's listen. Let's video call tomorrow morning. I will show you my new plants which I bought for my apartment.
Sure, Jia. I would be very happy to see those plants.
Okay, Mom. It's time to leave now. Let's try to walk to the corner store tomorrow just to see the sun.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, Mom. See you. Love you. Bye.
Bye. Wait. Arjun, right? Yes. Wait. Tanya, right? No way. Are you really Tanya? I thought that was you.
You haven't changed a bit, man, except your beard.
And you definitely not in that oily hairstyle. It has been made since the year past 2001.
The last time I had saw you was at the school farewell. You said that you will fly America soon.
It's still my dream.
Oh. I had shifted to city for work, but I'm visiting my family. I'm a medical doctor now.
That's awesome. You always good in science. And I am working in bank. It's boring, but it's okay.
Do you remember our school?
Yeah, we have spent more time in playing than studying.
Exactly. Those were really good times. We should stay in touch.
Yeah, I agree. Let's exchange phone number.
Alright, give me a
phone, I'll type my digits.
Thanks. By the way, in evening, we are having a small get-together party at my home. Will you please come for that?
I'd love to be there, but I don't know any of your friends.
You just come. I will introduce you to them, and you will surely like them.
Okay, then let's meet at evening.
I will send you the location on WhatsApp. Okay, bye. See you in evening.
Bye.
रात नहीं जागते हैं ये गुनाहों के घर इनकी राहें खोल पाए जो भी आए इधर ये है गुमराहों का रास्ता मुस्कानें झूठी हैं पहचाने झूठी है रंगीनी है छाई खुद है तन्हाई गलियों में मसले गलियों में क्यों ये धूम थी चोरियों उदासियां जिसमें उदासी है वो है घूमती सबको तलाश वही समझे काश कोई
Remember our first day of school? We were so small.
I do. Now look at us. We worked for 40 years and it just feels like a dream. I woke up this morning and I forgot that we weren't going to the office anymore.
Time moves so differently. When we were kids, we wanted time to go fast so we could be men. Now we are that old, time is running away from us.
It's true. I wish that I could turn 16 again so that I can enjoy every bit of my life knowing you. The life felt so vibrant.
See the kids playing over there. They think they have all the time in the world. just like we did.
Exactly. When we were kids, a summer holiday felt like 100 years. Now the whole year goes by just in a blink.
Don't rest, sit still. That's the secret. If time is running, let's. We have done enough running in our lives. There is no time for sitting calm and peaceful.
You're right.
Days were awesome. It made me blossom. I wish the days could come back. But I know it is near about impossible.
The first day when I entered in my school premises. New uniform, shoes, water bottle and a small handkerchief. In my bag, I carried not only books but dreams. Everything was strange. My first classroom was like a huge monster opening his mouth. But suddenly someone whispered, "Come my child." And that was a sound with love and care.
सपने क्या ये दिल करे पहले पहले दिन की ये नई नई सुबह आओ चल के हमको छुपाते जाए सबको बताते जाए अपनी हसरतें यार मत भूले जगह है ये बड़ी भूल सुनो सुनो सारा लाइफ में से भूलेंगे हमको नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 सीखेंगे अपने नहीं है क्या गलत क्या सही I'ma do my thing. I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread fish, can make you sick. Story में कमजोर है practical champion. तोड़ते हम दीवारों को है bones में calcium. बनने से जो हो ना हो teacher से प्यार. Future हो रास्ते पे आँखों में stars हो. दरबार घर छोड़े जो भी मिले उसे छेड़े मस्ती में चले. कीड़े वाले खाने लगे ऐसे क्यों किताबों को चश्मे लग गए साइंस पढ़े आर्ट्स पढ़े दिन पढ़े रात पढ़े कुछ भी ना पढ़े सर पे जो डंडे सिलेबस गंदे फिर भी हम कहें भूलेंगे हमको नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 ना
morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Say it all together.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
I thought that you all were too busy in your world, so I greet you first.
Thank you, ma'am, for concerning about us. We are so overwhelmed.
Oh, Tushala, you're too intelligent to handle. Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, let's begin with the social science class. Tell me, where is the English channel, Keshav?
Sorry, ma'am. I don't know. My TV has only one channel.
Rishikesh, why are you wearing glasses inside the classroom?
Ma'am, because I see my future so bright. I can't see anything.
Oh, really? Even I can't see anything. Give me the glasses and sit down.
Ma'am, because he was playing video games until midnight.
Oh!
Ma'am, you know, he's very smart in playing video games. Oh!
Hey, Meera, tell me, if I asked you to find the North Pole, how will you get there?
Ma'am, I would wait for winters and follow the sound of Santa Claus's bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Quiet, quiet. Meera, this is not a movie inside the classroom. Now tell me, what is the capital of France?
I think F is the capital of France, right?
Oh, Meera, I'm asking about the city, not the letter.
I know it's Paris, ma'am, but F is much easier to spell, right?
Okay then, I'll ask you an easy question. Hemangi, tell me, why are the pyramids in Egypt?
Because they were too heavy to carry to England.
Sit down. Tishila, tell me, what happened when British crossed the Atlantic?
Ma'am, I think their clothes must be wet. Ma'am, actually you don't know. All that's just making fun.
I know my child and I also liked it. So let's go for games.
Yay!
दिल चाहता है दिल चाहता है दिल चाहता है कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन दिन दिन भर प्यारी बातें झूमे शामें गाए रातें मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ दिल चाहता है कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन चमकाते हैं चिलचिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते चमकाते हैं चिलचिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते जहाँ रुके जहाँ भी जाएं जो हम चाहें वो हम पाएं मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा
I still don't get how I was the one to get
class and laughing. I kicked a chair. Do you think standing over here is the punishment? Yes, sister. No, children. School is not just about rules. It's about learning when to listen and when to speak. If you distract others, they do lose their chance to learn.
I think I get it now. Yes, sister, me too.
That's why mistakes are useful. They help you grow if you learn from them. Next time, use your energy to help the class, not to stop it.
Sorry, sister, we were wrong.
Sorry, sister, and thank you, sister. Okay, now go in your class and learn your lessons. Child, why are you so sad?
Sister, nobody's ready to play with me. They all are teasing me. I don't know what to do.
You don't deserve to be treated like that. You are special. Be the way you are. And the right friends will see that.
I know that, sister. Friendship is a special gift of God. And I am ready to make friends. But why they are not taking me in their group?
My dear, sometimes people don't include others. Not because of anything wrong with you, but because they don't know how kind you really are. Friendship is a gift of God, and the right friends will enter in your life at the right time. Be patient and never doubt your worth. Your worth isn't defined by how others treat you, but by how you treat yourself.
Thank you, sister. Now I understood the real meaning of being together. I will always keep your words in mind. May I go, sister?
Yeah, sure.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन गुल्लक में बड़ी जवानी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे खरबूजों को खरबूजों की मिली सी जन्नत के अपने वो दिन ओ जीवन में नई जवानी की चढ़ी सी रंगत के अपने वो दिन याद है फिल्मों के पुराने हारनी पलों के वो गाने पहन के कीबोर्ड के और गिटार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे
Can you believe it? Today is our last day here. It seems so strange, like something inside my chest is heavy.
I know. I kept telling myself I would be strong. But the moment I walked into the classroom, every memory is just rushed back. This place won't ever feel the same again.
Remember how we complained about homework, assemblies, and how could I ever forget exams? Now I wish we could have just one more normal school day. Just one more.
Same here.
every corner of the school's holds memory. Laughing during lunch breaks, helping each other before exam, and even getting scolded by teachers.
What scares me the most is not knowing when we all meet like this again. Life will take us in different directions.
But no matter where we go, this friendship stays. These years shaped us. We all grew up here together.
It hurts. It hurts to say goodbye. But I think it means we are ready. We are ready to move forward with all our joyous memories that we have shared together in our heart.
Let's promise something. No matter how busy life gets, this friendship stays. This school gives us family.
Yes, today isn't an ending. It's the beginning of everything we have dreamed of.
Goodbye. Not forever. Just until we meet again. Hey students, listen. Let me give you some instructions about the farewell.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं, लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं, कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं लेगी उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं लेगी उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी एक पल में जैसे बीता जहां, कल हम सब थे यहाँ अब है कहाँ, बेफिक्रे से फिरते थे जब हम यहाँ, खाली थी जेबें फिर भी अन्ना जहां, वो मस्तियाँ वो शरारतें कुछ ऐसी वैसी हरकतें, यादें वो सारी बिखर यहाँ, याद आने वाला ऐसा समा, आँखें से जिए वो पल यहाँ, ला 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 ला
Come in.
Come in. Please be seated.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please be seated.
So here's my resume.
Your resume is fine, Aditi. You have the right degree. You have the experience.
Yes, sir. I have worked in this field for 5 years.
That's the thing. You are fine. But I don't want fine.
So, my last boss said I was the most reliable worker he ever had.
Reliable is boring. I want someone with a spark. someone who takes risks. Your work is too simple.
But I have family to support. I can't afford to be risky. And I do the job and I do it correctly. Isn't that what matters?
But I don't want someone who just wants a paycheck.
Then what's my status?
Look, you are a nice person, but you are not fit for our culture. So my answer is sorry. Good luck elsewhere.
Thank you. Every time I hear no, it feels very bad. One says, I'm too quiet. Another says, I'm too safe. I can't understand. Am I just doing what they want me to do?
You are not broken. You are just tired.
But everything is just looks so far.
Don't worry. I am your strength. I am the part of you that cannot be crushed. Remember that day when you got less marks in your test? You tried hard and your hard work paid for you. You passed the exam with flying colors. A fire can be started from a single spark. Now also you are the same Aditi. Nothing has changed. Don't forget what you have learned in your school.
Yes, yes, you're right. I will find myself.
Enough now. I'm tired of these meetings, deadlines, catching train, traveling all the day. I don't think that my life is on the right track. I'm wasting my life. None of them matters.
You matter.
Who are you?
I am you. The part of you that still dreams. Take a deep breath. Fill the air in your lungs. I am your childhood. Remember, one day sister said that we all are human beings on our beautiful planet. Our life is much bigger than our failure. Remember your days. Remember your school days. Remember your medals, certificates. You have won on different competitions, sports days. Don't let the stress win. And I know you can do it. And I know you can win that medals again. And I know you can.
Yes. Yes. I can. And I will do it.
Check my phone. Maybe she had called.
Hi Mom, I'm here. Surprise!
Is that really you, Sakina? You didn't tell me. I can't believe that you are here.
I wanted to surprise you, Mom. I missed you so much.
I also missed you too much, Sakina. Look at you. You look too grown up. Look at you. You look too grown up.
Yeah, Mom.
Are you eating well over there? You are too thin.
I am eating fine, Mom. As you know, London is a fine city. Everyone there is always rushing.
You come here. Here, everything is so relaxed.
It's very difficult now, Mom.
I am very happy for you.
When you were a child, you were too scared to just go out of your house alone. And now you are alone in a foreign country. You were like me in your childhood.
I wish I could be back, but it's impossible now.
Two, three, four, five. At school, you were shy. You were a quiet girl, too soft. But in reality, you were soft outside and strong inside. Remember when you failed in your science project? You didn't quit. You cried, but you stayed up all night to finish it. You were shaking, but you didn't stop. You were brave because you kept going even when you were scared. And these values and strength were taught you by your school, by sisters, and by teachers. So don't worry now. Go ahead. Fight your own battle. Maybe you are alone.
Mom? Mom? What happened, Mom?
Nothing. I'll manage. Thank you for realizing me. Now I believe in myself.
I know it's late, but what can I do? I understand, but you have to be there at your son's parents' meeting. Okay, I'll see what else. It's difficult to manage the house, kitchen, bills, groceries, Leo's school. Okay, bye.
Look at me, Nitika.
Who are you?
It feels heavy because we are carrying everything alone. But remember, winter is hard, but spring always comes. You are actually growing. Deep down, you are getting stronger day by day. Just think about your school days. You did it all alone. Exam studies, games, competitions. Just take it around. You will feel the world is so beautiful. Just smile and go ahead.
Yes, now I know there is a strength within me. I'll try my best and I'll surely.
Life goes hard. Everything is so difficult now. Even my own feet seem to be the feet of a stranger.
Thanks, because you walk a long way.
Who are you?
I am the part that still feels young. I am the part that doesn't hurt.
I feel like an old clock which is finally running out of time.
You forget in school. You are the best footballer, best runner. You can't be tired. Stop holding yourself so tight. Let your arms open and enjoy the every bit of life like you did in school. You are the best. You are the person
Thanks. Thanks for explaining me that the life is so beautiful.
उस मोड़ से शुरू करें फिर ये जिंदगी हर शय जहाँ हसीन थी हम तुम थे अजनबी उस मोड़ से शुरू करें फिर ये जिंदगी लेकर चले थे हम जिन्हें जन्नत के ख्वाब थे लेकर चले थे हम जिन्हें जन्नत के ख्वाब थे फूलों के ख्वाब थे वो मोहब्बत के ख्वाब थे लेकिन कहाँ है इनमें वो पहले से दिलकशी उस मोड़ से शुरू करें फिर ये जिंदगी
रहते थे हम हसीन ख्यालों की भीड़ में रहते थे हम हसीन ख्यालों की भीड़ में उलझे हुए सवालों की भीड़ में आने लगी है याद वो फुर्सत की हर घड़ी उस मोड़ से शुरू करें फिर ये जिंदगी हर शय जहाँ हसीन थी हम तुम थे अजनबी उस मोड़ से शायद ये बात हमसे कोई चाल चल गया रिश्ता वफा कयाम भी रंगों में ढल गया अश्कों की चांदनी से थी बेहतर धूप ही उस मोड़ से शुरू करें फिर ये जिंदगी हर शय जहाँ हसीन थे हम तुम थे अजनबी उस मोड़ से शुरू करें फिर ये जिंदगी
Realize that the school life will once end for good. He that time waited for the last bell to ring to go home. Now I miss those memories, those bells, the noise, the friendship, those celebrations. We are with a lot of memories, but with no chance to live them back.
In school, I thought my problems were very big. Homework, exams, and teachers. Today, those worries feel so small. School was a place where I felt safe and cared for.
I still remember those days, sitting with my friends, sharing lunch, and laugh for no reason. We said we would always be together, but life had changed. I didn't know that those moments would become our memories.
Some days I felt scared, but some days I felt strong. School helped me understand myself little by little, but it did. Even the hardest times taught me something important.
If I could go back, I would slow down and enjoy it more. I would laugh. I would stay longer. School was a very special part of my life.
I thought school days would always be then. I always complained about waking up early, about homework, about rules never knowing. But today I missed it so deeply. Now the classrooms are empty and the faces are somewhere lost. And all I have the memories that are treasured in my heart. With my school days, with my school friends. I would give anything to sit there one more time with my school friends. School didn't just teach me lessons, it also held me while I was still learning how to be a human.
Because life isn't done with us yet. कुछ किस्से मुकम्मल ना ही हो तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि क्या पता किताब के अगले पन्ने पर क्या लिखा हुआ हो। क्या आपने कभी सोचा था आप लोग इस तरह यहाँ मिलेंगे? शायद नहीं।
करेंगे बन के कहीं बन के सबा मारे वफा में ला 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 जब हम न होंगे जब हमारी खाक पे तुम रुकोगे चलते चलते अश्कों से भीगी चांदनी में एक सदा सी सुनोगे चलते चलते वहीं पे कहीं हम तुमसे मिलेंगे बन के करीब बन के ज़बा बागे वफा में रहे ना रहे हम महका करेंगे बन के करीब बन के ज़बा बागे वफा
Hope you enjoyed. As we come towards the conclusion of this wonderful evening, I invite Ms. Deepa Nathani from batch 1998 to propose vote of thanks.
Good evening to one and all present here. Respected Principal, Sister Myrtle, all the sisters, management, dear teachers, beloved alumni, and my dear friends. As we come to the end of this wonderful reunion, my heart is filled with gratitude and joy. Today was not just a reunion, it was a beautiful journey back in time. As we pause this celebration, I extend my sincere gratitude to everyone who helped turn memories into moments once again. My deepest thanks to our respected principal, Sister Myrtle, management, all the sisters and teachers, the true architects of our foundation. A heartfelt thank you to all our alumni as our dreams first took shape. Your stories, smiles and shared laughter have proven that time may pass but bond never fades. I also wish to appreciate the management, teaching and non-teaching and my wonderful participants whose quiet efforts created a seamless and joyful experience for all of us. With immense gratitude, I conclude the vote of thanks. May leave today with full hearts and promise to meet again. Thank you and regards. Forever thankful, always grateful, abundantly blessed. Thank you.
All of you stand for prayer.
Thank you, Deepa. The Jubilee Anthem composition is a masterpiece that reflects our school's values and spirit and is composed in December 2024. Let's all rise in honor of the Jubilee Anthem, celebrating our pride and legacy, followed by the National Anthem. Kindly rise, all of you.
Wisdom and reaching new heights, a beacon of hope shining ever bright. From humble beginnings, we soared so high. Together we dream, together we thrive. Celebrate the journey of the past. 45 years of a legacy that lasts.
for being a part of this special program. May the bond with your alma mater grow stronger with every passing year. Have a wonderful evening and a happy reunion. Let's move to the basketball court area for some delicious food. Thank you, one and all. There are some glimpses played on the screen. Those who want can watch it.